Boracay. This is my friend, it is real. We are planning to go swimming today. Diba? We are here in Angas. It's a Thai restaurant here. Authentic Thai restaurant in Boracay. Look at the ocean. Diba? It's so nice, no? We go for swim a little bit after we have our breakfast. Look at the ocean. Our breakfast for today, we just finished our Thai food, Lana. It's called pad krapao, but it's all gone. So we're just preparing for our swim. Look at the ocean today. Oh my God. Diba? So if you guys looking for a good restaurant to try, if you're craving for Thai food, make sure you come here in Congas. Located in Station 3, Angol Beach. A little bit south of Station 3.
The world fades out like stars at night.